Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super new WhatsApp update. So this update is about the custom wallpaper for your contacts. In first, we just changing the wallpapers, chat wallpapers for entire contacts, but now you can change the wallpapers for a particular contact. You can change a particular person chat wallpaper can be changed. You can have a custom chat wallpaper for every individual person on WhatsApp. This is the new update brings this option, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So I just choosing go to the setting option here. Now you can choose a chat and click on the dark theme wallpaper. So here you can choose a brighter or darker or solid color or images from your gallery. The solid colors allows you to choose a color, and you can choose the doodle if you want to on the wallpaper. So this will change everything for every contacts. This wallpaper will be applied. You can also dim the wallpaper if you are using on darker mode. So this will change if you set it will change the wallpapers for every contact. This is for every contact, not for individual contact. If you want to click on individual contact to change the individual contact, you just click on the wallpaper app and just go into the contact and click on the three dots and change the wallpaper. Now it will be changed, but this will be shown, the wallpaper will be shown for only for you. It will not show for the opposite person who you are changing the wallpaper. So it will only use to show for you. This is not like Instagram theme. So this is wallpaper, this is WhatsApp wallpaper. So this will changes will be shown only for you, and it will not changes for the other opposite contact.
Friends, if you find this WhatsApp update useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about WhatsApp, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.